Hey everybody, how are you doing today? I'm going to show you a really quick and easy way to get your Purpleheart after you've sanded it down from looking like this gross brown color to back to its original dark purple. Because when you sand it down, you get rid of most of that purple. And what we're going to be using is a blowtorch. So, all you're going to need to do blowtorch. And you're just going to want to heat the wood. You can see it just like that. Instantly bring it out that purple color. Turn it a little harder to do sometimes. Okay. Now we brought out that nice dark purple. Now we're going to take a little bit of this 220 grit sandpaper, or if you're gonna shine up higher than that, you can too. Purpleheart actually looks really, really good. I've found shining up to like a 1,000 or a 1,200 grit. Okay. So let's get you down there for a second. Okay. Real quick surface sanding of that. Helps to have a sanding block. Alright, well, as you can see, now that Purpleheart has that nice dark purple color right on the top. Notice though, that layer is not the thickest in the world, so you can still sand through that layer. Alright. Now, the next thing that's important to do is use whatever type of finish you're going to use, because watch what happens as soon as that happens. Oh. Yep, that is beautiful. And if you really want to take it up even one more notch, here's what I recommend doing. That was just a little bit of mineral oil. Okay? So a little bit of mineral oil, and you saw how that perked right up. Just got some 1,200 grit sandpaper right here. And I'm just going to wet sand using that mineral oil. Good shine. Now, I could use a block there if I wanted to, but don't necessarily have to. And what you're going to end up with looks something like that. Then you're going to come back afterwards, and you are going to just use this nice little type of rag. Cotton rag is what this is. Whatever paper towel or you use. And you have just a little oil. This beautiful shimmery shiny surface. A little bit of boiled linseed oil after that. Looks great. Alright, so I've let that oil soak in for maybe 30 seconds to a minute. And now what I'm gonna do is pretty cool. Alright. Just got some 1,200 grit sandpaper right here. And I'm just going to wet sand using that mineral oil. Good shine. And I could use a block there if I wanted to, but don't necessarily have to. And what you're going to end up with looks something like that. Then you're going to come back afterwards, And you are going to just use this nice little type of rag. Cotton rag is what this is. Whatever paper towel or you use. And you have just a little oil. This beautiful shimmery shiny surface. A little bit of boiled linseed oil after that. Looks great. But for all of you out there who want to work with Purpleheart, get it and then get disappointed that it turns that brown color after you sand it and it doesn't look like that pretty purple, a little bit of heat with a blowtorch and you will get a beautiful finish. In the end, you should have a beautiful finished product. That is nice dark purple, nice sheen, and it is frankly a gorgeous, gorgeous wood. If you enjoyed this video, learned something, share it with a friend, like it, or if you would like to, hit the subscribe button down at the bottom and see more videos when we post them. I try to post some good tips whenever I can find them and make them, and I think that it's something not everybody's doing or knows about or knows how to do. So, stay tuned and thanks for watching my channel. This has been Wildwood. Have a good rest of your day.